Hello, this is Casey from KC Grandpa Tech with another interesting product review. I'm getting older, and with COVID-19, being able to rush to the emergency room becomes a scary situation just because. And so my wife and I decided to purchase a automatic blood pressure cup, so just in case. And it's by You Are Best. So I'm going to unbox it, review it, and let you know what you think of it. This is an automatic blood pressure cuff. Not too bad. The one thing I'm already impressed about is a lot of things that you get don't have a place to put them in. Like you buy a thermometer and it comes with the thermometer, but it doesn't come with a carrying case to put it in. But this thing, you have the instruction manual. And right here in the beginning, I don't know if you can see it, it's how to do it. Comes with the blood pressure cup, 2 batteries. Alrighty, I'm going to have to put batteries in this. I'm going to take it out and I'll be right back with you. Now I have placed it on my wrist in the right way. Put it on, and like following directions, I'm putting it down. Slightly elevated, and I'm going to press the button to start the process. Now, to be noted, okay, you've got your systolic and diastolic, the date and time, my pulse rate, and you saw the heart rate coming in there. Now, what's important to note about this particular unit, not only is it certified, but the other thing that's important is that why would you buy this for home use? Well, you want to keep your monitor, you want to monitor your blood pressure and everything like that. But the most important thing is, you've got a headache. Something's going on. You decide to check your blood pressure. This will indicate on the screen if your heartbeats are regular. Well, if you don't have an irregular heartbeat, and it starts indicating that you've got an irregular heartbeat, that's the time to call 911. So this one could save your life. But for right now, I have to say it's a 5-star rating, because it meets every criteria that I would, as a nurse, recommend this. So let's go on. I'll give you my final thoughts. So let me give you my final thoughts and some information. Having an automatic blood pressure cuff at home is a great idea, especially as you're getting older, like I'm in my 60s now. What I like about this, it's small, it's compact, it comes with its own carrying case. The directions are inside. That's fantastic in itself. It has 2 users that you can keep a record of. And it says it can record up to 180 memory or times you recorded your blood pressure. But speaking from a retired nurse, this has a feature which could save your life. Not only checking your blood pressure. If you suddenly notice that your blood pressure is very high and then it's constantly high, and that's a good time to see the doctor. But if you suddenly start discovering you got a little pain over here, and is it heartburn? What's going on? I shouldn't know. I can't even tell you how many times people walk in the emergency room. I think I got some bad heartburn. I can't seem to get rid of it. And we do some tests and we discover they're right in the middle of a heart attack. What this will do is, as I said before, it will record, it'll check for an irregular heartbeat. And if it discovers it, it will tell you, hey, you've got an irregular heartbeat going on here, and maybe you should have it checked out by a symbol that it displays. And that's when I would take a good long and say, I'm going to call my doctor and tell him what's going on. Or maybe even take a ride down to the emergency room and get it checked out. So like I said, this could save your life in those situations where you don't think that anything's wrong and you don't want to take a trip down to the emergency room. Because I can't even tell you how many times people have come in. I'm feeling a little bad, they're in the middle of a heart attack, or worse even yet, they're asymptomatic, you know. They've got a headache, and we find something going on. So listen, I hope this has been helpful for you. This is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech Out. Please like and share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with more informative information for you to chew on in tech, and you have a great day.